Before watching this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking onto the subscribe button.
In this video, we'll go over the 7 best supplements and foods to help support a body detox. While supplements can be helpful in supporting the body's detoxification processes, it's important to remember that they should not replace a healthy diet and lifestyle. Here are some top supplements and foods that may be helpful in supporting a body detox. Milk thistle is a popular herb that has been used for centuries to support liver health. It contains a powerful antioxidant called silymarin, which may help protect liver cells from damage. N-Acetyl Cysteine NAC. NAC is an amino acid that is commonly used to support liver health. It is a precursor to glutathione, a powerful antioxidant that plays a key role in detoxification. Magnesium. Magnesium is a mineral that plays a role in over 300 biochemical reactions in the body, including detoxification. It may help support liver function and promote regular bowels. Probiotics. Probiotics are beneficial bacteria that live in the gut and help support digestive health. They may also help support the body's detoxification processes by promoting regular bowel movements and supporting the elimination of toxins. Vitamin C. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that may help support liver function and promote the elimination of toxins. It may also help boost the immune system, which can be helpful during a detox. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar helps pH balance, immune function, and aids in a healthy digestion. Lemon juice. Lemon juice in water is a great source of vitamin C and naturally boosts energy levels and metabolism. Lemons are rich in flavonoids. These are compounds that help optimize health and fight disease. Watch our next video to see how lemons can help eliminate kidney stones.
If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends.